chickens! Bark, 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 bark.
Wearing a chicken costume.
Wait a minute. How did Smarty know how to make a chicken costume?
I don't know. I guess I just kind of winged it.
Yep, this is what a raccoon sounds like.
That's an elephant, Jeffy.
No.
In this basket?
No, that's a white basket. Try again.
Oops, how about the blue basket? That matches. Which basket does this pink egg go in? Same basket, right?
Not the blue basket, the pink one.
Yeah, so that means this white egg goes in the
White basket. Yeah!
We did it!
The eggs are dying, Daddy! Yep, they got blitzed.
Next to you, but to this chicken, they were her kids.
Now he's just like a chicken. Wow! He sounds just like a rooster.
Yeah, nice rooster crow, Mr. Noodle.
Now what's he doing?
A chicken egg!
Well, I'm afraid of hippopotamus.